Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in making your very own Oracle card deck, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through part 3 of our series, where we'll focus on how to actually create your Oracle card deck using Canva and how to get everything ready for printing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design, customize, and prepare your gorgeous card deck. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an online design platform that's seriously beginner-friendly and really great for creative projects like this. Just hop onto Canva.com and log in if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, don't worry, creating one is totally free and only takes a moment. Now, right from the Canva homepage, look for that big Create a Design button. It can sometimes be at the top right corner or sometimes front and center depending on the update, but it's hard to miss. Go ahead and give that a click. When you click on Create a Design, a little search box will pop up. Here you're going to type in card. This is a key step because it brings up all the different card size templates Canva has to offer, everything from business cards to invitations, and most importantly for us, cards that you can adapt for an Oracle deck. Once you type card, you'll see a bunch of card size options. I recommend picking something like the standard playing card size, which is usually about 2.5 by 3.5, but you can choose whatever fits your vision. Now click on one of the card templates that catch your eye. Canva's templates are superb for taking away some of the design overwhelm and giving you a great place to start, even if you've never designed anything before. With your template open, you can really make this project your own. We're on to editing the designs. This is where the magic happens. On the canvas, you'll see different text, colors, images, or design elements. Click on any part and you'll get options to change colors, swap out photos, add illustrations, or rearrange layout pieces. If your Oracle deck has a certain theme, like woodland creatures, positive affirmations, or celestial vibes, infuse that personality here. For example, if your card is about strength, maybe add an image of a roaring lion or a bold color background. Now it's time to add your text and images. Just click on any existing text box or click text from the side menu to add a new one. Type in your card's message, affirmation, or question, whatever speaks to you and fits your deck's purpose. Remember, less is often more, so if you're unsure, keep your text simple and clear so that it's easy to read at card size. Drag and drop images or upload your own illustrations if you have them. Canva lets you search their huge library for graphics, so take your time experimenting. And remember, it's totally fine to make lots of drafts, adjust colors, and play with spacing until each card feels just right. Take a moment to review your designs. Sometimes, stepping away for 5 minutes and coming back helps you spot anything that needs a quick tweak. When you're totally satisfied and everything looks the way you want, it's time to save your work. Find the Share button in the top right corner of Canva and click it, then hit Download. I recommend choosing PDF print as your file type if you're sending it to a printer, since this will keep your designs sharp and the colors vibrant. And that's it, you've created your own Oracle card deck designed for print. Isn't that exciting? If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, it really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, or if you want to share what kind of deck you're making, drop a comment below. I love hearing your creative ideas. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials like this one. Happy crafting, I can't wait to see what you create.